Today we have to discuss about graphs of trigonometric function. The first trigonometric function is y equal to sin x. Everybody knows that sin x is a periodic function, and the period you can go for a 2 pi. Is it clear? The period you can go for a 2 pi. 2 comma 2 pi is the period. In the positive side, if you can go for a negative, you are getting minus 2 pi comma 0. Is it clear? So whenever you are talking about this one, that 0 comma 2 pi and you are getting that 0 comma 2 pi and to minus 2 pi comma 0. Is it clear? So y equal to sin x means the graph will be between 0 comma 2 pi. The period is 0 comma 2 pi. Means every, if you can talk about the 2 pi, at 2 pi it will lie on the axis. It will lie on the axis. If you can go for a table, if you can make a table, you can make a table for a pi equal to that. You can take your sin x and you can take y. You can take your x and you can take y. Is it clear? Here you can take x and here you can take y. And here y is equal to sin x. Is it clear? You can go for 0. You can go for pi by 6. Is it clear? You can go for pi by 6, pi by 4. You can go for pi by 3. You can go for pi by 2. Is it clear? It's the same way you can go for 2 pi by 3. Is it clear? You can go for anything that you are going to go 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 4, pi by 6. You can go for a pi. You can go for 7 pi by 6. You can go for 5 pi by 4. You can go for 4 pi by 3, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 3, 7 pi by 4, 11 pi by 6, and in the last you can go for a 2 pi. Is it clear? In the last you can go for a 2 pi. Dot in the last you can go for a that one is 2 pi. Is it clear? You will get different values. That here you are getting 0. Here we are getting 1 by 2. Pi by 6 is 180 by 6. That one is 30 degree. Sin 30 you are getting 1 by 2. In the same way you are talking about 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2. Is it clear? Sin 90 you are talking about 1, root 3 by 2. Is it clear? That you are talking about 2 pi. Is it clear? Means 2 pi means 360 degree. Is it clear? 360 degree you are getting 0. As I told. Sin 360 degree, what you are getting? 0. How is it 0? You know very well. In the last classes I will complete. So x you are getting 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, 2 pi by 3, y 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 2 pi by 0. Is it clear? Now we have to draw the graph. Is it clear? The points are coming like this. You are getting the value of x and you are getting the value of y. Is it clear? Now what we have to do? We have to draw the graph. When there is a need to draw the graph, what we will do? You can put on simple thing that you are talking about y-axis and here you are talking about the x-axis. Is it clear? Here you are talking about y-axis and here you are talking about x-axis. Is it clear? X-axis and y-axis. Is it clear? We have a function of a sin x, that one is 0 to 2 pi by. Is it clear? The period is simply 0 comma 2 pi. Is it clear? So here you are getting the position 4. Is it clear? Now you can mark all the things. You can go for pi by 6. You can go for the marking of pi by 3. You can go for the marking of a pi. Is it clear? So you can go for the marking of a pi by 2. Is it clear? Pi by 2. You can go for the marking of a pi. Is it clear? You can go for 0, pi by 2, pi. You have a marking. You can go in the same way for the pi by 2. You can go for simply 3 pi by 2 and then you can go for 2 pi. If you can go 3 pi by 2 and here you can take the 2 pi. Is it clear? 3 pi by 2 means 3 into 1 divided by 1. It will you are getting 90, you are getting 270 degree. Is it clear? You are getting 270 degree. So whatever on the coordinate system that starting from 0 to 90 92, 180, 182, 270, 272, 360. 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. Is it clear? In the same way, you can go through here. Minus pi by 2, you can go. Minus pi, you can go. Minus 3 pi by 2, and in the same way, you can go for a minus 2 pi. Is it clear? Everybody know when you can talk about sine 0, 0. In the table, it is coming 0. Pi by 2, you are getting 1. Is it clear? And pi, again you are getting what? Sine 180 degree. 180 degree. 1. Sine 180 degree is not 1. It is lying on the axis. That was simply I have told. That sine 180 degree is 0. And sine 2 pi also 0. Is it clear? So you have to start from here. Sine 0, 0. So it will start from the origin. It will start from the origin. And here you are getting 1. This one is the 1. Is it clear? And here you will take minus 1. Is it clear? Minus 1 and 1. And the graph will oscillate between minus 1 and 1. As I told in the first graph will oscillate between minus 1 and 1. So what you are getting? You are getting here like this. Is it clear? At pi by 2, you are getting 1. Is it clear? So graph will be like this here. Is it clear? Getting my point? Again you are getting at 3 pi by 2, you will get minus 1. Is it clear? 3 pi by 2 you will get minus 1. And again here you will get 0. Is it clear? In the same way, if you can talk about this one, is it clear? The graph will be like this. Now the graph will minus pi by 2, it will be minus 1. Because sine minus theta, minus sine theta. Sine minus theta, because as I told, sine minus x equal to minus sine x. Is it clear? Sine minus x equal to minus sine x. If sine minus x equal to minus sine x, so what the meaning is? Sine minus x equal to minus sine x, that it will be minus 1. Is it clear? So minus 1. Again, it will go for this. And again, according to this, it will go for this. Is it clear? Getting my point? Now the graph will be like this. Now minus pi, and again it will go for like this. Is it clear? Again you are minus 3 pi by 2. It will go minus 3 pi by 2. Again it will go. Is it clear? And again it will come to the minus 2 pi. So what actually you are getting? That minus pi means at the axis you are getting it is the 0. The value of pi is 0. Is it clear? Again it will originate from here, and again it will cover this one. Very good point. So this is the graph of the sine axis. Is it clear? Again I am going to explain. Sine 0, 0 is coming. Sine pi by 2, 1 is coming. Sine pi, 0 is coming. 0 will lie on the axis. Is it clear? 3 pi by 2, 1 is coming. Again 2 pi, 0 is coming. Is it clear? Here you are getting starting from 0, minus pi lying at the axis. Here minus 2 pi. Is it clear? It will be 0. And here minus 3 pi by 2. You are getting something. Is it clear? So this one is the meaning of y equal to sine. But we have a problem when we can talk about y equal to sine 2x graph. The problem will arise when you can talk about y equal to sine 2x graph. Is it clear? You have a knowledge about the y equal to sine x, but when you can talk about y equal to sine 2x, how you can draw the graph of a y equal to sine 2x? So for the drawing of the graph of y equal to sine 2x, or you can simply say you have to draw the graph of y equal to 3 sine 2x. Anybody will ask you a simple question that you have to draw the graph of y equal to 3 sine 2x. Is it clear? So for this purpose, what we have to do, again we have to calculate the point here. Mostly we don't have a calculator for this, is it? But if you can use the calculator, scientific calculator, you will get the values in the number, in the decimal. आपको values किस में मिलेंगे? Decimals में मिलेंगे. You will get the value in decimal. Let us suppose if you want to draw the graph of y equal to 3 sine 2x. Is it clear? May I know? If you want to draw it, to draw. What I told. Let us suppose you want to draw the graph of want to draw the graph of if you want to draw the graph of y equal to sin, when you can talk about y equal to sin 2x, so what will happen? That y equal to sin 2x, the 2x, you can talk about x. What will be the period of this graph? Here, x incremented by whatever the value of x will be. Let us suppose you can take x equal to pi by 2. If you can take x equal to pi by 2, y equal to sin 2 into pi by 2. Is it clear? It will be cancelled out with this one. It will take the value of y equal to sin. When you can take x equal to pi by 2, it will give the value of sin pi. Is it clear? If you can take x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to sin 2 into 0, that equal to sin equal to 0. Is it clear? In the same manner, if you can take x equal to pi, is it clear? Y equal to sin 2 into pi, that y equal to sin 2 pi. Y equal to sin 2 pi means you are getting again. Is it clear? Now if you can take, if you can check it, if you can talk about pi by 2 pi, if you can take x equal to pi by 6, okay? So y equal to sin 2 into pi by 6, that is pi by 3. Pi by 3 means simply pi by 3, 180 divided by 3, 60 degrees. That one is 60 degrees. So here what you are getting? Here you are getting at every point, if you can check the main point like 0, if you can talk about pi by 2, if you can talk about pi, if you can talk about 2 pi. So what you are getting? That if you can take 2 pi, x equal to if you can take 2 pi. Is it clear? 2 pi you will get 4 pi. Is it clear? 2 into 2 you will get 4 pi. 4 pi means simply 360 multiplied by 2. Is it clear? So what you are actually getting that if you can take the period to be pi for y equal to sin 2x, if you can take period to be pi, is it clear? If you can take period to be pi, this 0 to pi, then it will be good. Is it clear? It will be good. Yes, up to pi, you will get the value of 2 pi. अगर आप पाई रखते हैं तो आपको sin pi equal to sin 2x में आपको 2 pi की भी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? और साइन का जो आप बाउंड्री लाइन आप बोलते हो दैट मींस 2 pi. Why we are drawing up to 2 pi the graph? Because mostly in the mathematics we are getting values up to the 2 pi. Is it clear? Actually the angle is simply the amount of rotation. You can go through any angle, but whatever the measurement you have to take up to 2 pi. Is it clear? That one is 360 degree. Now what we can do about this, that if you can take y, sin 2 into y, y equal to sin 2y, sin 2 into pi, या 2y की वैल्यू दे देता है, 2y का क्या होता है, is it clear? Now we have to draw the curve, is it clear? First of all, we need to draw the table. The period will be 0, pi. Y equal to sin 2x, the period will be 0, pi. When you can talk about the function y equal to sin 2x, the period will be pi. Why the period will be pi? As I told. Is it clear? In the same way, if you can draw the curve, here we have to take this one is x, this one is y. 0, y, is it clear? 0, sorry. Minus pi by 2. Is it clear? The function is y equal to sin 2x. You will get 0. 2 into pi by 2 sin pi. Sin pi will be pi sin 2 pi. You are getting all the values you are getting 0. Clear? That you are getting 0. If you can talk about pi by 2, add the pi, you are getting 0. Is it clear? So simply if you can take pi by 4, is it clear? If you can take x equal to pi by 4, listen carefully. Y equal to sin 2 into pi by 4. You are getting sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 will be, is it clear? If you can take pi by 4, you will get the value 1. Is it clear? So you can make a table that pi by 6, pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4, whatever the numbers you want, you can make a table. Is it clear? And according to that, you can calculate the value. Like if you are talking about pi by 6, sorry, pi by 4. Pi by 4, if you can take 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 8. Y equal to sin pi by 2, that one is equal to 1. If you can take x equal to pi by 6, y equal to sin 2 into pi by 6, you will get pi by 3. Pi by 3 means that you are talking about y equal to 60 degree. Y equal to that one is 60 degree. 60 degree value is, if you can calculate, that one is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by root 3 by 2. If you can divide 1.732 divided by 2, you can divide, you will get some values in the decimal. Is it clear? You will get the values in the decimal, and then you can draw the curve. Is it clear? Then you can draw the curve. So simply what you are getting, shifting of origin will take place. That how it, then you can talk about y equal to sin 2x. Clear? Sin 2x means जो वैल्यू हमें pi by 2 पे मिलनी चाहिए, ये वैल्यू हमें कहाँ मिल रही है? pi by 4 पे. That value which we have to obtain on 2 pi, we are getting on the pi. जो वैल्यू हमें 2 pi पे मिलनी चाहिए, हमें कहाँ मिल जाएगी? That one we are getting on the pi. In the same way, if we can draw the graph of y equal to sin 2x, is it clear? Now we can draw the graph of y equal to sin 2x. Is it clear? When you can draw the graph of y equal to sin 2x, you can draw again. Only there is a change in the points. Is it clear? इसमें change होगा. That is y equal to sin 2x. X में change हो रहा है. There is a change in the y. When you are changing the x, there is a change in the y. Because y is working as a dependent function on the x. Y is working as a dependent function on the x. And x is working as an independent function. Is it clear? Sin 0, 0 you are getting. Sin pi, y equal to sin 2 pi, you are again getting 0. Is it clear? You are getting 5 pi by 4. At that time you are getting 1. The value will be 1 when it will be 5 pi by 4. Is it clear? Pi by 4, the value will be 1. Is it clear? 3 pi by 2, you will get something else. You will get 2 pi, you will getting the 0. Is it clear? Now you can draw the graph y equal to sin 2. Is it clear? So sin 0 you are getting 0. Is it clear? Sin 0 you are getting. So if you can start from the pi, if you can start from pi is also 0. Because 2 pi is 0. So simply when you can talk about this diagram, so when you can take sine pi, sine 5 pi by 4, sine 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4, 2 pi you will get. So for this we have to drop the cross because at sine pi also it will also 0. Is it clear? So if you can take what is 5 pi by 4, I am writing like this 5 pi by 4. If you can take 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 2 something, 7 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4. Is it clear? In the same way, if you can take the 2 pi, here you are getting 2 pi. Is it clear? Now if you can talk about this position, that one is 3 pi by 4. Is it clear? If you can take 3 pi by 4, you are getting pi by 2 or something. If you are originating, that one is simply pi by 4. As I told, on the pi by 4 you are getting the value will be equal to the 1. Sine 2 into pi by 4, 2 cancel with the 4, 4 cancel with the 2, you will get sine pi by 2, the value will be 1. Is it clear? Now we can draw. जैसे जैसे कार्बोग्राफ चलता जाए हम इसे क्या करेंगे, रोटेट कराते जाएंगे। यहाँ से ये साइन 0 है तो इसको 0 होगा, पाई है तो भी क्या होगा 0 होगा, बिटवीन होगा 0. Is it clear? Now we can go for rotation. Is it clear? Again pi by 4 it will be equal to 1. At pi by 4 it will be equal to 1. Is it clear? If you can talk about pi by 4 again it will be 1. And if you can talk about here, is it clear? Now let us check. Sin pi 0, sin pi 5 pi by 4, sin 2 into 5 pi 5 into 4 divided by 95. Something 3 pi by 2 into 6, 3 into 180 divided by 2. So this type of angles you are getting means whatever the values we are getting जो हमारा origin था एक 1 0 starting from 0 ग्राफ कहाँ से ड्रॉ किया यहाँ पे ये हमें will be here. Is it clear? Means we are changing it. Whatever the value of a pi, whatever the value we are getting on the 2 pi, we are getting on the pi. Is it clear? So according to that, we are getting that the period will be 0 comma pi. For y equal to sin 2x. Is it clear? Right. Okay. In the same way, you can draw the term of y equal to cos x also. For y equal to cos x, you have to do the same thing. You have to take 0, 0, then you have to take pi by 6, pi by 4. And if you can talk about cos 0, you will get the value 1. If you can go for cos 90 degree, you will get the value 0. Is it clear? The periodic, if you can talk about the period of cos, the period of cos is also 2 pi. Is it clear? That it will lie between 0 to 2 pi. You can talk about it will lie between 0 to 2 pi. And you can draw the graph. Clear? That's all for today. Tomorrow again we will discuss about this topic.